Ever thought about how to give your immune system that extra boost? Or wondered what foods can help you in that quest? Well, today we're introducing you to the concept of immunity-boosting foods and the significant role they play in maintaining a strong and healthy immune system. We'll be diving into an easy and delicious immunity booster tea recipe made with potent ingredients like turmeric, ginger, raisins, peppercorn, and jaggery. Stay tuned to find out how to prepare this powerful immunity booster. Before we dive into the recipe, let's understand the ingredients we'll be using. First up, we have turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains curcumin, a compound known for boosting the immune system. Next, ginger, a root that does more than add a zesty kick. It's a potent antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory effects, which can enhance immune function. Our third ingredient, raisins, are not just sweet little morsels. They're packed with iron, which is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Peppercorns, the spice that gives your food a punch, are high in antioxidants. They can help fight off damage from harmful free radicals. And lastly, we have jaggery, a type of unrefined sugar. It's rich in minerals and antioxidants, which can aid in detoxifying the body and boosting immunity. Now that you know why these ingredients are so powerful, you are ready to prepare the immunity booster tea. Get ready to brew some health in your kitchen. Let's dive right into the preparation of our immunity booster tea. A symphony of flavors and health benefits, this recipe is as easy as pie. First things first, let's start by soaking a handful of raisins in warm water. While our raisins are getting plump and juicy, we'll move on to the other ingredients. Take a fresh root of turmeric, about a thumb's length, wash it well and then grate it finely. The vibrant color and earthy aroma of fresh turmeric is a sensory delight. Now do the same with a piece of ginger of similar size. Ginger not only adds a punchy flavor but also boosts our immune system. Next, take a mortar and pestle and lightly crush about 10 peppercorns. The gentle crushing will release the oils and enhance the flavor of the peppercorns. Now it's time to bring all these ingredients together in a pot. Add 2 cups of water to the pot and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts bubbling, add in the grated turmeric, ginger, and the crushed peppercorns. Let it all simmer for about 10 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld and intensify. While our tea is simmering, let's prepare the jaggery. Take a piece of jaggery about the size of a lime and crush it coarsely. Jaggery is a natural sweetener and is packed with health benefits. As our tea simmers, you'll notice the water taking on a beautiful golden hue. This is when we add in the soaked and drained raisins, followed by the crushed jaggery. Stir well to dissolve the jaggery and let the tea simmer for another 5 minutes. Finally, strain the tea into a cup. The aroma of the spices and the sweet undertones of jaggery and raisins is bound to make you feel warm and cozy. And voila, your immunity booster tea is ready to be enjoyed. Wasn't that easy? Now let's talk about why this tea is a game changer. Our immunity booster tea is more than just a warm, comforting drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits wrapped up in a delightful aromatic brew. It's the perfect blend of turmeric, ginger, raisins, peppercorn, and jaggery, each ingredient chosen for its unique health-boosting properties. Let's start with turmeric. This golden spice is renowned for its curcumin content, a compound that's a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps to boost your immune system and protect your body from harmful invaders. Next, we have ginger, another spice known for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can help fight off infection and reduce inflammation, making it a double whammy for your immune system. Raisins, on the other hand, are packed with essential nutrients, including iron and potassium. They aid in digestion and are a great source of energy. Peppercorn, the king of spices, enhances the absorption of turmeric and provides relief from respiratory disorders. Lastly, we have jaggery, a natural sweetener that's packed with minerals and antioxidants. It aids digestion, purifies blood, and enhances the absorption of nutrients, giving your immune system a much-needed boost. This tea isn't just about keeping you healthy, it's about enhancing your body's natural defenses. It's a delicious way to nourish your body and fortify your immune system. Remember, a cup of this immunity booster tea a day keeps the doctor away. Stay healthy.